ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿಯಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು show that the Coulomb form in vector form, to write the Coulomb law in vector form, so let us consider the xy plane. So this is y axis and this is x axis. This is my origin. From origin point A, from origin consider a point A where charge q1 is present at a distance what it is r1. So ಚಾರ್ಜ್ q1 ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ನಿಂದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಗದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು r1. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ q2 is present at point B, a distance what is r2 from the what origin. Okay, so the distance between two charges, the displacement between two charges is what is r21 is equal to what r2 minus r1, or it is r12 is equal to it is r1 minus r2. So what is displacement vector between the two charges? One is r21, that is r2 minus r1, and what is r12? r1 minus r2. Okay, so by Coulomb's law, by Coulomb's law, the force on charge q1 due to charge q2 is given by f12 is equal to how much it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by how much it is r12 whole square into r12 cap. So this is equation number 1. So what is r12? r12 cap, it is unit vector. It is unit vector along f12 force. What is r12? r12 is the unit vector along force ಯಾವುದು f12. Okay, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ so force on charge q2 due to Henry q1. So q2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ q1 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು f21 ಎಷ್ಟು 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ q1 divided by ಎಷ್ಟು r21 whole square into what is r21 cap. Okay, both the force we have calculated by using the formula. So first force is what? Force on charge q1 due to q2, that is given by what? f12 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r12 whole square into r12 cap. So both the charges are positive. So f12 will be what? f12 will be repulsive force, and unit vector is r12 cap. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ second force, that is second force is charge on force on charge q2 due to charge q1 is given by what? It is f21. It is also a what? It is also repulsive force, and unit vector is given by what? r21 cap, which is given direction of the f21 force. Okay, now this is equation number what? 2. From diagram, the displacement vector r12 and r21 are what? Same. Why? Because from charge q1 to q2 displacement is same. From charge q1 to q2 displacement is same. So can I write r12 vector is equal to what? r21 vector. So this is my equation number 3. And you can see that r12 cap, that is this vector, is opposite to the what? r21 cap. So r12 vector category is r2 vector category opposite to r12. So can I write here r12 vector should be r12 cap should be equal to what? Minus r21 cap. Why? Because both the unit vectors are what? Equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So R12 cap should be equal to what? Minus R21 cap. Now consider, this is equation number 8 is 4. Now consider equation number 1. What is equation number 1? F12 is equal to how much it is? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by how much it is? R12 square into R12 cap. So F12 vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by how much it is? R12 vector is how much it is? R12 vector is equal to how much it is? R21 vector, that is R21 whole square. So in the place of R12, what I am writing? R21. So R12 is whole square is equal to how much it is? R21 whole square into R12 cap is equal to how much it is? R12 cap is equal to how much it is? Minus of R21 cap. So I should write here minus R21 cap. So F12 vector, that is force, should be equal to what? This minus will take outside, so it is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by how much it is? R12 whole square into R21 cap. R21 whole square into R21 cap. So F12 vector force is equal to what? So what is this value? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R21 whole square into R21 cap. You can see here. So F21 vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q1 or Q1 Q2 divided by R21 whole square into R21 cap. So F12 should be equal to what? Minus of what it is? F21. So or F12 vector plus F21 should be equal to how much it is? 0. Okay. So here we can say that this is the what it is? This is Coulomb's law in vector form. This type of representation is called what is Coulomb's law in vector form. Okay. So one more thing. So this Coulomb force is Coulomb force is action and reaction pair. Means what? ಈ Coulomb force ಏನಂದ್ರೆ action ಮತ್ತೆ reaction pair da ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಇರೋದು? So Coulomb force occurs in action and reaction pairs. Okay. So hope I think you all understood the Coulomb's law in vector form. Thank you one and all. So next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ force between the multiple charges ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ.